Hey guys, retired at 40. The Super Bowl is just around the corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make the two best Super Bowl snacks, hot wings and chips and dip, and make them into one buffalo chicken wing dip. If you've never joined us on this channel before, we do some grilling, some cooking, some food preservation, and you get to journey with me on my retirement at the age of 40. Here is today's lineup. And as I'm sure you saw in the title, this is an Instant Pot recipe. You can use a slow cooker, you just need to adjust your cooking time a little bit. So we're going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese, we're going to need half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning, we need a half a cup of Frank's Red Hot, I'm using the buffalo style red hot sauce, we need 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 cups of cooked chicken, I'm using freeze-dried chicken so this should be interesting, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, and 1 cup of mozzarella. Okay, so there are 2 optional things you can add to the top. You can add some bacon bits to the very crust, and then you can sprinkle it with blue cheese. If you're looking for other recipes for your Super Bowl party, make sure you check out my stuffed jalapeno bacon popper recipe and my award-winning Super Bowl chili recipe. Description down below. Into a mixing bowl, we're going to add the cream cheese, the mayo, the sour cream, our kosher salt, our ranch seasoning, and a whole lot of hot sauce. And then we're going to mix all that together. So you're going to have your chicken and your 2 cheeses left, and you're going to fold those in or slowly add them as this is mixing. Since I'm using freeze-dried chicken, I'm actually not going to rehydrate it. It will actually rehydrate as I cook it. And then we're going to go directly into the Instant Pot with this. Then we just kind of want to flatten it out to the bottom of the Instant Pot container. Then we're going to put the lid on. Alright, we're going to go on slow cook and just set the timer for a half hour or an hour and just keep an eye on it. Check it about every 10 minutes just to make sure that it doesn't burn and just to mix up your ingredients. I've been checking this every 10 minutes and giving it a stir. And I would say, depending on your crock pot or Instant Pot, will depend on how long you need to leave it in here. Mine's been in for about an hour now because the mozzarella has been taking a while to melt, but I think it's ready. There we go, it looks good. Just add chips, crackers, broccoli, carrots, any kind of vegetables, anything that you like to dip into it, and in half an hour to an hour, you've got a great Super Bowl snack. Make sure you check out the Super Bowl chili and the Super Bowl jalapeno poppers for the rest of your Super Bowl snacks. This is Retired at 40. Remember to live life simple. We'll catch you next week.